Today we're going to learn how to set up and customize the head-up display in your new Taycan. You can do so by using the steering wheel. On the steering wheel, there's a button that moves the cursor in between each of the displays. What you'll do is you'll cycle until it is in the head-up display. You can see that the head-up display has been selected by the blue lines just on the outside of the long lines. What you can do to edit that is you'll push down on the knurled knob and it will bring you into the setup of the head-up display. Now the top choice here will turn off the head-up display entirely. If you turn it off here, you can only turn it back on in the PCM. We'll move down to height. You can push down to select it. If you want the height to go up, you just roll the knurled knob upward. And if you would like the height to go down, you will do the same in the opposite direction. And you can select the back arrow on the steering wheel. You can do the same with brightness. Roll up on the knurled knob to increase the brightness, or roll down to decrease the brightness. Finally, you can adjust rotation. Select it by pushing down on the knurled knob. If you push up, it will rotate to the right. And if you scroll down, you will rotate to the left. This option is for use with polarized sunglasses. Now we're going to select back, and then you can roll down to cycle through the different available screens. The first one was navigation, the second one is a power meter, and the third one is configurable. You can configure this particular screen in the PCM. To adjust the settings in the PCM for the head-up display, you'll go to Settings, Displays, Head-up Display. You can configure your head-up display with a wide variety of different information. To do so, select Configure Customize Display. First, select Configure Layout, Display Area. You can do 2 display fields for more information. Now you have 2 possibilities. This is going to be your assistance systems, and this is going to be your speed limit display. This is, of course, your current speed. You can take navigation, drop it into 1, and power meter, and drop it into another. Here we can select Confirm. You've now configured your head-up display in your new Taycan.